There are 4 ways of focusing. Click Settings to adjust the focusing mode, in which image focusing or laser focusing can be selected. The first focusing method is continuous autofocus. Turn on the continuous autofocus button first, and then go back to the main interface. While moving the camera, it will automatically focus on the center point with the movement of the screen. The second focusing method is image focusing, which can be done by clicking on any point on the screen. The third focusing method is button focusing. Click the CE button for one-touch autofocus. The last way is manual focus, which can be performed by adjusting the focus ring on the lens.